Was an absolute monster. It may not look it, but this grass is so long and dense, and unfortunately between the time quoting it and actually doing it, it rained for days and days straight. So the grass was soaking wet when we started, which makes things so much more difficult. Now, this job was sort of important to me after having a chat with one of the family members. I found out that they do a lot of things in the community. So giving them back their backyard doesn't just become a job. It doesn't just become another cleanup. It sort of becomes a little bit more than that, because people that are doing a lot for others, you can do something for them. Yeah, the game plan for this one was essentially just slash everything, get it down onto the ground. It's a little bit hard with stuff that's this long, because all the stems and all the bits you can see that are sticking out the top, they tend to fall and get tangled up, which means you're constantly just unclogging it. So the idea was try to sort of mince it up and turn it into a sort of finer grass as possible. It makes raking it up that little bit easier, and it also means that it's going to break down faster for whatever we can't get to. Now, I'm not trying to turn this into a golf course. I'm not trying to make it immaculate. It's just trying to reclaim the space to the point where they can take over the maintenance. Now, taking on these sorts of jobs, it's a big ask when you're just one person. Because it's not a matter of going out and you're on a trimmer or whippersnipper for 20 minutes. You're talking 5 or 6 hours, and it's bloody hard on your back. It's hard on every part of you. And this will be today's task. Now, for context, that is how thick all of that grass is, and all the runners that have joined together and just created one big mat. So I'm hoping to get through all of this. I did have a helper yesterday. I had a mate come out and give me a chop out, and he's got to work today, so he can't give me a hand, so I'm on my own today. And then tackle all of that. It's a big job, but the payoff's going to be so worth it. Well, that's new. I knew this sleeper wall was here, but I didn't know that there's an entire brick edging running along there. Nor did I know there's a little multiple rock feature through here. It's fun what you find. Okay, so I just learned that's there. Oh, get some of that out of the way. It's a reasonable sized stump, but I've got some gear here I can cut and get rid of that. It's not a part of the quote or anything, but I'm not just going to cut around it and leave it there. It'll only take me 2 seconds to get rid of. But how deep is that? That's like 1.5 feet deep. You know, that's knee height. While I do have stumpy legs, that's still pretty tall. Oh, it's just so thick. And there's still all that yet to tackle. But all of that's been done, all the garden beds, and then all of this. Certainly getting there. Just got to get that little garden bed cleaned out, and we're really making some progress.